Hello guys, this is Capricorn 7 and 6 Tarot. I hope you are well. If you're not, get well soon. So this is, you know, daily Capricorn reading 3 to 4. So let's see with your partner Capricorn. So let's see what's going on between you two. So let's see. Please subscribe my channel if you're new. If you already subscribed it, then thank you. I really appreciate it. So let's see. This is your side, this is your partner. So let's see. Say, 5 of Cups, Pisces, Scorpio, Capricorn. You are just sad about loss, sad about this person maybe not give you the full attention. That's why, or maybe don't give you the full reply, or just give you the ignoring attitude, or maybe you assume too much. Maybe it's kind of 3 or 4. So the star card is maybe your partner is, you are just patiently waiting for their success, love, pureness. You are just waiting for them to text you, call you. And the star card is Aquarius, and 5 of Cups, Pisces, Scorpio. So 8 of Pentacles, it's kind of you're balancing, okay? Just you're patiently balance on this relationship, on this person. You're working, okay? You're just doing too much and give you total amount of effort to maintain this relationship very well. And like you're just ignoring the conflicts and lots of other things, okay? So the star card, you're very positive to this person, and this person is also very positive to you. So this is your destiny. Star card is kind of hopeful. You just want to feature with them. And 5 of Cups, lots of misunderstanding between you two, or maybe the emotions are very like rushy. So for one, Sagittarius, Leo energy, so they are very happy with you. They want Capricorn in their life, very clear. They are very clear by their feelings. And 3 of Pentacles, they're working on you, working on relationship, working on their selves too. 3 of Pentacles, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo energies. This is the major things, like you're putting too much and they are just efforting. They just don't have potential like Capricorn you have. So you're very strong-minded, grounded, stable in relationship-wise. So you'll handle this person, okay? You're just handling, and you're just understand this person very clearly. That's where you are putting too much this relationship, and that's where you hurt too much. Maybe the love also come with pain. So that's why they just want you in your life. They just want to marry you, Capricorn. Their energy and feelings are clear. And 3 of Pentacles, they are working on you. They just want to reconnect with you. Maybe this person have lower than you. Maybe this person have their effort, their thinking, their thoughts about you or love maybe lower than you, but they're also putting too much effort. 4 of Cups, they miss you, they love you. And also this is 5 of Cups and 4 of Cups. They miss you, they love you, they miss opportunity, what they are just did to you. They don't know, they don't understand you very clearly, like what's Capricorn need, okay? What Capricorn want. I am here for them, but what else she want or he want? So that's why they are just just misunderstand you. Also they just don't know about relationship very well. So let's see, Capricorn, your messages. Then I see outcome with this person. Romantic feelings, yeah, romantic feelings are there. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. So yeah, you both like let go control issues. So let be flow, Capricorn. This is your messages. Romantic feelings are there. Just don't too much. Just don't expect too much and assume too much. So control, let go the control issues. Maybe this is affecting on your relationship. You just want to control them, control every thing in their life. So that's why they're just irritating by their own or you. So they just want to just be flow, be free, be yourself. And they also just have a good attitude to you. Let go of control issue and allow the situation to unfold naturally. They just want to naturally love and natural feelings for you. So that's why they just have a different thoughts about love. Romantic feelings, they love you, they care about you, you both love each other, so that's the clear signs. So Capricorn, you also just very good and positive to them. You are just praying for them, for their success, their love, their, you know, what they really want. So you love each other, that this is the clear thing. You both want each other in. So you also live this, like, how to express this person just know the Capricorn is mine. So this person, and maybe Capricorn, you are not sure, you're just wishing them, you just want to wish like this person is, you know, like your forever type of person. So that's the issue. Book. So the book mean is just learn about patience, Capricorn, maybe you and your partner. Book is learning the lessons, learning the matureness, learning the too much things, like other conflicts, other things, other, you know, just spend time with other, like, book mean it's kind of, you just understand each other very well, just give them time, just give the time to, you know, your connection or love or relationship, everything is going in a right time, what you really want or wishing, Capricorn, you and your person too. So it's kind of delaying, it's kind of book, you just experience the things by your own, you and your partner too. So the book kind of, you learn first, you learn the lessons, experience, matureness, other things, what you really want. Be sure what you really want, be sure what you know, want this person, be sure what you really want in your life, Capricorn, or love wise or naturally, you know. A book is also your, just give other hobbies to this person or yourself to, Capricorn. So that's why just too much, and it's maybe you're just assuming too much, expecting too much to this person. Just spend more time to books or reading, writing, for diverting your mind, you know. Okay, treasure your loved ones. Okay, it's important to love each other deeply. So this is the love. Give each other importance. Okay, express love, show the care, you really care about each other. This is the clear sign. Okay. So let's see what's the outcome. For Wands, the underneath energy. Sorry for this, but it's very important to know each other very well, love deeply. This is the perfection. 10 number is perfect, 10 number is also perfect, 2 10s are there, so it's kind of completion, what you really want, Capricorn. This person is here, and this person maybe the exact same thing, tell you I'm here for you, Capricorn. So what else you want? I'm here. So what you really want, expect me. So 8 of Wands, Sagittarius, Leo's energy. The communication is very strong between you two. Lots of travel involved this connection. Also long distance relationship. It's kind of care, respect. It's growing. Romantic feelings are growing. You're wishing each other in a good way. Like you're very positive to each other. Also you're gaining too much love, care, or just receiving and giving. Love, care, respect, and also kind of giving things. It's different things like communication, pureness, love, gaining too much pureness, love, or response. Okay, so 8 of Wands is kind of long distance relationship. You miss each other. It's also you travel to see your partner, Capricorn. Your partner just want to see your face, and also they miss you, like highly miss you. They miss your presence, and also they just love you. They want to tell you everything. You are their everything. They want to protect you, love you. They just want to give you everything. and same apply to you, Capricorn. So communication level is very strong. You're just no on a conflicted type of thing, on you're on the same page. You respond very well, you love very well, you understand very well each other, you tell everything what's going on or how your day is going. So it's kind of very caring energy is there, like did you sleep well, eat well, or also you're okay, and this is take care type of messages. So it's kind of very pureness is gaining in this relationship in 3 or 4 day, I mean date. So this is your daily reading. It's very emotionally attachment, and also just don't control your partner, okay? This is the energy of emotional. This person is also emotional, maybe little fight or too much care. So this person may be irritated by your attitude, Capricorn. So don't get me wrong, just learn your book, learn your lesson, spend time for more your hobbies, and spend time with like divert your mind, Capricorn. Do the tarot reading. Okay, so see the tarot readings also me on YouTube. So maybe this is maybe also you're learning something like new business, new things, or maybe the makeup type of things, or you're just learning, or maybe your partner just learning about their future, about something related to learning or understanding for next level. It's the type of new thing. So this person is doing, and maybe you also. So take care your loved ones, love each other deeply, give them importance, Capricorn, and same apply to them. So let me know in comments, guys, this resonate with you or not, and also subscribe my channel if you're new. If you already subscribed, then thank you so much. This is the Capricorn channel, and there's lots of Capricorn's readings are here, and also soon in uploads. And also I want to say thank you.